We have human experiences. There is no world out there that's independent of us. And this is what drove Einstein mad. And it's what led to his to some extent, his bad science that didn't allow him to accomplish what he wanted. But at the same time, his critiques of this in quantum physics are what led to things like non locality and
Locality.
entanglement. He
Yeah.
was saying, no, these are impossibilities. So if your ideas lead to these, your ideas are wrong. Turns out, no, that's where they go. And he was smart enough to see it, but he couldn't accept it.
I had a delightful afternoon experience because I was teaching my little class on physics for Chinese medical students. And I got to talk about the brain as a transducer because I was doing Maxwell's equations and, all the waves going everywhere. And I was saying, well, these waves are why you have all this telecommunications. And, the radio is there, and
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
picking up the
yeah.
waves that are there anyways, right? Those
Right.
waves are there regardless of whether or not the radio's there. The radio just latches onto it, right? And that seems to be like kind of how you're talking about that.
No,
Yeah.
that's exactly it. And I think it's a very nice, elegant solution. And in these terms, the hard problem ceases to exist. It just dissolves. The problems we were talking about, well, is it the body? Is it the mind of stuff? All of these cease to be problems. They dissolve as questions because everything is just awareness. Everything is only experience.